Hi everyone, welcome to this 16th session of corporate communication. We are discussing about advertising, and in this session, we are going to talk about the objectives of advertising. So, let's discuss the specific objectives of advertising, or you can say importance of advertising, or you can say role of advertising. So, objectives number one, to introduce new product, new service, new brand, to increase the sale of your products, of your services, to maintain existing buyers, to create and enhance goodwill of the firm, to provide support to the dealers and other channel partners, to create and enhance brand image, to provide help and support to the people involved in personal selling, to position and to reposition. So these are the uh, brief list of objectives of the advertising. So let's discuss one by one. So first one is the to introduce a product, a new brand, a new product, a new service. So business firms keep on introducing new products, new services, new brands in the market, and have to inform the prospective customers about its availability, about its feature, price, uses, benefits, etc. So here, advertisements create awareness. Advertisements generate interest among the target audience. So these kind of advertisements, where the objective is to create awareness or to create our generate interest or to induce customers to go for trial. So these are the objective related to introduction of a new product, new brand, or new service. Say for example, this let's talk about the example of Baiju. So Baiju has launched its offering just 1 or 2 years back. So in the initial days, people were not aware about this brand and what this Baiju app can help in learning. So they used to give a detailed advertisement. So how people can use the learning app of Baiju and get the advantage. So you can. This is another example. So the company Vivo has launched a new phone. So in the new phone, advertisement of the new phone, they are giving its price and its other specifications to create awareness. Now the second objective is to increase uh, the sale of the product. So here, the focus of the advertising is to turn non-user of the product to user. Means those who are not using your product are convinced to use to increase the frequency of uses, to attract the consumers of competitors' product, to inform the consumers about the features, advantages, and benefit of the product. Like Cadbury, also Sale can be increased by increasing the occasion. So if we increase the occasion of consumption, and also if we increase the frequency of consumption on each occasion, our total consumption, our total sale can increase. Say for example, Cadbury. So earlier chocolate was a product meant for kids. Now Cadbury has repositioned their product as, and they associated chocolate with every occasion, for every celebration. So now, if now people are gifting chocolates on Deepavali, on birthdays, on many occasions. कुछ मीठा हो जाए. So hope you have watched that ad. कुछ मीठा हो जाए. So even kids, even old age people, all are consuming chocolates. So we have, the advertisers have, the company has increased the occasion of use and as well as the frequency of use. Say for example, Colgate. Earlier, people used to brush once in the morning. Now, companies started advertising that you should brush twice daily or after every meal. So when, if we brush and if we use Colgate or any paste after every meal, definitely our consumption, our frequency of use is going to increase, and thus ultimately sale is going to increase. Maintain existing buyers. So, advertising is used to remind the consumers about how good their product or services are. So, to create a satisfaction in their mind that my whatever decision I have taken as a consumer is correct. So, when you buy a product, and if you don't see any advertisement, you will not be very confident about your decision. You will feel that कहीं हमने गलत तो डिसीजन नहीं ले लिया है, इस प्रोडक्ट का तो कोई ऐड ही नहीं आता. ठीक है, but when you see advertisements coming on regular basis, so you become confident that okay, right, my decision was right. So the idea is to prevent decline in the sale of the product in the market, and also uh, uh, to maintain the dissonance factor. Post purchase dissonance, which is a very common phenomena after buying a product or service. So create and enhance goodwill of the brand. So through advertising, the firm can communicate their achievements to the consumers and clarify any misconception or doubt in the mind of the public about about the brand or their product or about the organization. So advertisements are used to handle crisis as well. So say for example, if you remember the crisis of Maggie. So uh, so advertisements played a vital role to manage the crisis. And if you communicate about certain good deeds or certain awards, certain achievement earned by the company, that creates a very positive impact in the eyes of the consumers and other stakeholders as well. Then this is another objective, other role played by the advertisements, to provide support to dealers. So, uh, dealers dealers are a channel partners, so they themselves sometimes they themselves do some kind of advertisements to push their product at local level, and sometimes the company of which the dealer is associated, they advertise about the product. Say, for example, if you have seen the advertisement, paper advertisement of Raymond's, or paper advertisement of any Hero Honda or any, so you will find written at the bottom of the advertisement that which talks about the availability, in which stores this Raymond clothes are available, or at which are the dealers of a particular bike. So these kind of advertisements helps the uh, dealers to sell more, and also helps the customers, so that they become aware that okay, fine, these are the stores where I can find uh, authentic product or the desired product. Creating and enhancing brand image. Advertising is also used for uh, creating a very positive image of the brand, which helps the company in multiple ways. One of the very strong benefit is the loyalty from the customer side. Apart from that loyalty, an organization also mm, get good support in pooling resources like human resources like financial resources like any other raw materials component, and any other thing. So every people want to associate with an organization over whom they can trust, over whom they can they can be confident. So uh, everybody wants to be associated with a company whose brand image are very good. So if we talk about customers, so they become loyal to the brands among the eyes of the target audience. Hmm. So brand image gets enhanced with repeated advertisement. Uh, now, it also helps. Advertisement also helps in personal selling. So personal selling means when this is face-to-face selling, person-to-person selling. So salesperson job is to convince the customers and made helps the customers to take decision about the product. When the customer is already aware about the product or familiar with the product, it features, its advantages and its benefit. So uh, this awareness and familiarity plays a very helpful role in translating the salesperson's effort to sale. It becomes very easier. So a customer is more receptive to the salesperson if he or she has some idea about the product. If he has if he has known the product previously. Otherwise, for the first time, if he will hear the name of a product or a brand from the salesperson's mouth, then he or may not show that kind of confidence. So advertisements also helps in personal selling. Then positioning and repositioning. So positioning means occupying a unique, a distinct position in the mind of the consumers, or occupying a distinct image in the eyes of the consumers. Like Dove stands for gentleness, softness. Like Woodland, like it's a rough and tough kind of image. So every product, every brand has a distinct image in the eyes of of the customers. Sometimes we have to reposition it. Like in the example of just, I have stated one example of Cadbury. So earlier Cadbury was positioned as as a kids product. Now they have repositioned it as a product which can be consumed by all age groups on occasion. They have associated with occasions, so it is repositioning. So to correctly position the brand in the mind of the consumer and further reposition, the advertisements plays a very vital role. Thank you.